Here we are in the My Pivot Table Excel workbook, and what we're going to do is create a basic pivot chart. Let's get started. In this worksheet, our total sales worksheet, what we want to do is create a pivot table. So I'm going to come up to my Pivot Table Analyze ribbon tab, and then over here in the Tools group, I'm going to click Pivot Chart. Over here is a list of types of charts we can choose from, and there's a lot to choose from. I encourage you to explore what's available. What we're going to do is we're going to come to pie chart, and then we're going to come over and hover over it. It's going to tell us it's a 3D pie chart. I'm going to click this one time. Gives me a wonderful preview here. When you hover over it, it zooms in a little bit so you can see more of it. I'm going to click OK. There it is. I'm going to reposition this top left corner down here in cell A17, and then from there I'm going to come over and double click the title here, and then double click again to select the text, and then I'm going to type in here revenue by rep, just like that. I'm going to click the chart to deselect that. Now I need to make some adjustments here. There's these buttons right here. I want to turn those off, so I'm going to come up to my Pivot Analyze ribbon tab, and over here it says Field Buttons. I'm going to click the top half here, and it removes it, just like that. Next, I want to change the style of this chart, so I'm going to come up to my Design ribbon tab. Here's my Chart Styles group. I'm going to click the More button for this gallery, and then I'm going to come over and choose Style 9. I'll click that one time, and there it is. If I look closely, I can see there's little hash lines inside the background there. There's one way I can change that. I can come over to Format ribbon tab. Over here in the Shape Styles group, I'm going to click Fill drop down, and I'm going to change this to white. So now that removes it, and that's all there is to it. Well, thanks for joining me, and we'll see you in the next exercise.